From the East Tennessee Weather Center, here's your afternoon weather update with meteorologist Mike Witcher.
Hi, everybody. Sure hope you're having a great day. Hang on to those hats. It's a really windy day around East Tennessee. Those winds are howling around town. It's blowing everything in my backyard, probably blowing everything in your backyard as well. Have a really cool time lapse I wanted to share with you from earlier this morning. This is all the way through the lunch hour. Overcast gray skies. Of course, you got the rain showers. This is a time lapse from KMNV, Monroe County Airport in Monroe County. And again, you can capture a live view from this camera on the East Tennessee Weather apps or online at easttnweather.com. Lunchtime temperatures haven't been too terribly bad around the area. It's warm, it's windy, but it's overcast and rainy. Temperatures have been hovering in the 50s and 60s, which is pretty much where we started the day. Wind gusts have been howling upwards of 20, 30 miles per hour. So, yeah, we have a high wind warning in effect for the mountains until 1 o'clock here this afternoon, and wind advisory until 4 o'clock this afternoon. So the winds will continue to hang strong for another hour or so. Then they're going to start to relax as we get into the afternoon and into the rest of our evening and early overnight hours. But still a little bit of a breeze tomorrow morning. I think we'll have some patchy dense fog developing depending on the wind at sunrise on Monday morning. Forecast high temperatures, or rather afternoon temperatures, will be in the 50s and 60s. So basically where we are right now is where we will continue to be. And then temperatures drop into the 50s for the evening hours. So not a bad evening. Here's a storm system winding itself up. We're on the backside of it now, so we get a lot of post-cold front wind that has been hanging strong. And I'm not really ushering in a lot of cold air because we're not going to really cool down, but we still have a little ball of energy that's going to scoot its way on through the area, and that's going to help to spark off maybe a few more light showers. Look at these winds howling around the region, around this strong circulation, this low-pressure system. And so, yeah, our winds will continue to hang strong throughout the day today. We've picked up quite a bit of rainfall over the last 24 hours. Heavy rain over in Memphis, but here locally, a lot of us picked up anywhere from a half an inch, 3/4 to, even over 1 inch of rain. And beneficial, no doubt about that. So for the rest of the day today, our Futurecast model giving us the mostly cloudy skies. Maybe a hit and miss splash of sunshine. I'm not expecting a whole lot, but can't rule that out. And maybe a couple of spotty light showers as the tail end of this low pressure continues to scoot its way off to the east and northeast. And that should be about the extent of it. So not a lot more rain left in the atmosphere from now through 7 o'clock here tonight. Again, beneficial rain. We still have the extreme, severe, moderate, and abnormally dry conditions for all of East Tennessee. All right, let's talk temperatures now because we're going to stay above average for highs, 50s and 60s, lows, 30s and 40s, all the way through Tuesday. Another system swings through Tuesday into Wednesday, and that's going to bring us a reinforced shot of some colder air as we get into the weekend. So let me show you what that looks like. Big picture, we're in the mid-levels of the atmosphere. Here's our piece of energy right there. Back behind it, we've got the colder air that's going to be being scooted in back behind the system. So watch this. Here's our system. Watch as it swings on through. Cold air wraps up back behind it, swings its way on through. Temperatures drop. Not to mention, we'll bring out the atmosphere in the form of some light rain showers and the possibility of some light mountain snow showers. Now, that's just all the way through Thursday morning. So when you look at our Thursday evening, I should say, so when you look at your Futurecast for snowfall, again, confidence is increasing that we'll see a little bit of light snow across the peaks of the Smokies. Again, that would be Wednesday into Thursday. But then colder air in place, and so we're going to be watching the storm system as we get into next week. I posted some stuff on social media earlier today as well. All right, so rain chances are going to be kind of off and on. Again, Monday, Tuesday into Wednesday is going to be a chance for some scattered light rain, maybe some light mountain snow showers. That should be about the extent. And then your temperature outlook for the first week to almost 2 weeks of January. Maybe trending colder than average. Remember what happened this past January with all the snow and the cold Arctic air? Well, guess what? That anniversary is coming up and it's right around the corner and things are looking interesting. So we'll keep you posted on that. Again, make sure you check in with the East Tennessee Weather app. It's your one-stop shop for weather right here in East Tennessee. It gives you everything that you want to know for weather here in East Tennessee. It travels wherever you go across the country as well. And join me on social media. Go like and subscribe everything. I'm also on YouTube, so go smash that subscribe button on YouTube. Help the platform out, especially if you like what you see. All right, we sure hope you have a great day. Again, the wind's going to start to back off from here on out. Clouds, yeah, they're going to stick with us. But maybe a splash of sunshine here or there. Colder air is on the way with a chance for some light mountain snow showers. More online at easttnweather.com. Have a great day.